So ngayon mga paps, after more than 5 minutes po, nag-email na si GCash. And ito po yung sabi niya. What is up mga paps and welcome back for today's video. Update ko lang po kayo about sa procedure kung saan itinuro ko po sa inyo kung paano ma-fix yung GCash error na your account is already registered to another phone. Marami po kasi yung nababasa sa comment section nung mga previous video natin about this tutorial na may nag-iba na naman nga sa chat with Gigi. So I decided to make this video para po ma-update kayo. But before we continue this tutorial mga paps, kung bago ka lang sa yung channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be updated for more videos like this. And without further ado, tara simulan natin to. So ngayon mga paps, una lang natin gagawin is pupunta tayo sa Chrome or any browser po na available sa inyong mga phone. Then dito mga paps, search lang natin yung GCash Help Center. Then go lang natin yan. Then punta lang po tayo dito sa GCash Help Center. Then scroll down and scroll up lang natin hanggang lumabas si Chat with Gigi. Click lang natin yan. So ito pong si Chat with Gigi, ito po yung virtual assistant ni GCash. So ngayon po dito is message lang natin siya ng phone registration. Then send lang natin. So ito po yung reply ni Gigi. I see that you have a concern regarding phone registration or account secure. I'll help check for you. What's your GCash registered mobile number? So ilalagay po natin dito yung ating GCash mobile number. So make sure po na 10 digit lang yung ilalagay nyong number. Tatanggalin natin yung 0. So mag-uumpisa tayo sa 9. Then send lang natin yung ating GCash mobile number. Then dito po mga paps, may mga options. First is how can I open GCash with another phone? Second, I am having issues with registering a new phone. Third, an unknown phone was registered to my account. Then yung last is I have other issues. So click natin tong I have other issues. Then dito po, click lang natin tong it's been 4 hours but I still can't log in. Then sasabihin ni Gigi mga paps, an agent will be able to assist you to log in on your new phone. We will be asking for some details first to review your account. Please provide your mobile number, full name, email, address, and date of birth. Then may nakalagay ditong tap show form to provide the needed information. So click natin tong show form. Then fill outan lang po natin tong form na to. Dito po ilalagay lang natin yung ating GCash registered name, yung GCash registered mobile number, yung registered email natin sa GCash, then yung ating date of birth. Then after po natin ma-fill outan yung form na yun mga paps, send lang natin to. Then dito po, thank you, this window will close in a moment. So return to chat lang tayo. After po natin ma-send yung form na yun, ito po yung sasabihin ni Gigi. Thanks Raymart, we will be asking you to upload these 2 required documents for us to process your request. So, ibibigay po nila dito yung mga list ng kanilang accepted ID or yung mga valid IDs na tinatanggap nila. So, dito may nakalagay, pwedeng Fill System ID, E-Fill ID, Philippine Postal ID, Passport, SSS, PRC ID. So, marami pang iba. Dito sa baba mga paps, may nakalagay dito, please upload a valid ID. So, select lang natin to, select file, then select file lang ulit. So once na hindi gumana, double click lang natin tong select file. So ayan, may lumabas na Media Picker. Click lang natin tong Media Picker. Then dito po is select lang natin yung ating valid ID or yung picture ng ating valid ID. After natin ma-select yung ating valid ID, submit file lang natin. Then after po natin ma-upload yung file na yon, return to chat lang tayo. Then dito po may nakalagay, please upload a selfie with your valid ID. So need po natin mag-picture or mag-selfie kasama yung ating valid ID. Then i-upload po natin dito. Select file lang ulit. Then select file, double click para lumabas yung Media Picker. Click lang natin yan. Then upload lang po natin or select lang po natin dito yung ating selfie with our valid ID. Then after po natin ma-select yung file na yon, submit file lang ulit. Then return to chat lang ulit. So ngayon mga paps, magre-response po si Gigi ng ganito. Here's your ticket number. So bibigyan po nila tayo ng ticket number. And yung ticket number po na yan is proof lang po ng concern natin. Then dito may nakalagay, for your security, we'll be checking your submitted documents within 24 hours. You will receive an email if an registration of the phone was processed or if we will be needing more documents. So expect po natin na may ma-receive po tayong email from GCash. Dahil dun po tayo nila i-update kung meron pa tayong kailangang isubmit na additional documents and kung ano yung status ng ating concern. So need lang po natin i-check or i-monitor yung ating Gmail for the updates from GCash. So ngayon mga paps, after more than 5 minutes po, nag-email na si GCash. And ito po yung sabi niya, Hi Raymart, thank you for reaching out to GCash support. I acknowledge that you have a concern with device, Chuchu. Then dito po sa baba may nakalagay, I have successfully unlinked your old device on your GCash account. You can now log into your account on your new device. So, ibig sabihin po, pwede na po tayo makapag-login sa ibang device since na-unlink na po yung old device natin. And hindi lang po email yung sinend nila. Nag-send din po sila ng text message, which is ito. So, dito mga paps, sinabi ni GCash dito through text, "Hi, your request to unregister your phone, Chuchu, from your GCash mobile number. Then, via our help center has been completed. So, just register a new phone when you next log into your GCash account." So, talagang na-unlink na po yung ating old device and pwedeng-pwede na po tayo makapag-register ng ating GCash account sa ating new device. So, ganoon lang po kadali mag-unlink ng old device para po makapag-register tayo ng ating GCash account sa ating new device. And siguro po hanggang dito lang po ang video na ito. Sana nakatulong. Have a nice day. Thank you and goodbye. Peace out.